The next question is 5 swimmers enter a competition. Okay. 4 of the swimmers have had their turns. Their score are 9.8 seconds, 9.75 seconds, 9.79 seconds, and 9.81 seconds. What score must the last swimmer get in order to win the competition? Okay. Your options are, option A is greater than 9.75 seconds, option B less than 9.75 seconds, option C greater than 9.81 seconds, and option D less than 9.81 seconds. Okay. So did you understand the question here? They say that 5 swimmers enter a competition. 4 of the swimmers have had their turns. So 4 of them have already completed their turns. And the scores were, one had 9.8, the other one had 9.75, the third one is 9.79, and the fourth one is 9.81. Now, what should be the score of the last swimmer in order to win the competition? So if the last swimmer had to win the competition, which of these scores should he defeat? Is it less than, greater than 9.75, or less than 9.75, greater than 9.81, or less than 9.81? So did you understand the question here? So 9.81 is the maximum time that they have taken, and 9.75 is the minimum time that they have taken. So if you have to win the competition, what you have to do? You have to beat the minimum score, right? So which means that the fifth swimmer should get a score lesser than the minimum score, and lesser than the minimum score is 9.75. So he has to complete his turn less than 9.75. So which means option B is the right answer. Clear? Shall we move ahead? Okay. So the next question is, arrange in the ascending order. And the question is 5.25, 15.3, 5.87, 5.78, and 5.2. The options are 5.2 is less than 5.25, is less than 5.78, is less than 5.87, is less than 15.3. Option B, 5.2 is less than 5.87, is less than 5.78, is less than 5.25, is less than 15.3. The third one, 5.25 is less than 5.2, is greater than 5.2, is greater than 5.78, is greater than 5.87, is greater than 15.3. And the last option, 15.3 is less than 5.87, is less than 5.78, is less than 5.25, is less than 5.2. Okay. So I have told you earlier that after the decimal value and before the whole number, any number is not there, which means you can add 0. And if you add 0, it means the same. So here when it is given 5.0 and 5.3, it means that it is 5.20 or 15.30. Okay. So here they have given as 5.2, which we can write as 5.20. So now tell me which is the smallest among them. Is it 25 or 20? 20, right? So this will be the first one. Then this will be the second one. This will be the third one. This will be the fourth one. And then this will be the fifth one. So your answer will be 5.2 is less than 5.25, is less than 5.78, is less than 5.87, is less than 15.3. So where can you find it, children? Yes, this is option A. Clear? Shall we move to the next question? Okay. So the next question given is same, arrange in ascending order. Okay. The question is 1.5, 1.375, 1.4, 1.3, 1.35 and 1.425. Okay. The options are 1.375 is less than 1.35, is less than 1.3, is less than 1.425, is less than 1.4, is less than 1.5. Option B, 1.5 is less than 1.4, is less than 1.3, is less than 1.425, is less than 1.375, is less than 1.35. Option C, 1.3 is less than 1.35, is less than 1.375, is less than 1.4, is less than 1.425, is less than 1.5. And the last option is 1.425 is less than 1.375, is less than 1.4, is less than 1.3, is less than 1.5, is less than 1.35. Okay. So again we will be arranging the numbers from small to big. So 1.5 means 1.50 also you can write. 1.375, 1.4 is equals to 1.40, 1.3 can be written as 1.30, 1.35 and 1.425. So after 3 if nothing is given, that means that it is 30, right? And here it is 5, 3 and 4. So which means the smallest number is 1.3. So this will be 1, 1.3, then This will be the second one, 1.35. Okay. After that, yes, here it will be 1.375. After that, it will be 1.4. Then it will be 1.45. Okay. And the last one will be 1.5. Okay. So why I have given it with a different shape, so that it is easy for you to identify. So this is number 1, then number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Where can you find this option? 1.3, next is 1.35, third is 1.375, fourth one is 1.4, fifth one is 1.425 and the last one is 1.5. So where do you find this option, children? Yes, it is option C. Clear? So shall we move to the next question?